Hello, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my lovely people. Good evening, my lovely family. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. If you are just coming across this particular channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you have been here for the longest, you're highly welcome. If you are a constant, like if you will be watching me every day, you're highly welcome to this particular live stream. You understand? Either you're living, you're watching live or you're watching after the live section. Oh my God, my people are here already. Oh, what the heck? My people are here already. Either you are watching after the live section or you are watching directly. Just don't forget to drop anything that is in your mind that is like that is disturbing you. You understand? That is just it. I respond to every comment one after the other. Okay, Dixon, if Annie, good evening, my brother. Good evening. How you doing? Then Funa, oh my bro, you're highly welcome. Who's this? Who's this? Destiny, aggressively active. I see you, my brother. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Aggressively active, sir. That's just it. I know now. I know. Yeah, you're very, very active, man. You guys are highly welcome. Appreciate. Today is Monday. The market have do it up and down. Okay, let me drop 300 like first, sir. You and this your 300. Oh yeah, now if you can fulfill it now, just continue. Oh yeah. I'm waiting. Oh yeah. Just continue and just keep. You understand? You know how it be now. So the market have do it up and down, up and down, up and down. Today, this is Monday evening. This is today we are going to do our top down analysis again. Let's see how today candlestick close. Then we'll predict how tomorrow will be. You understand? That's the reason why we are here. You understand? Then we'll do this particular live video almost every time. You understand? I do this particular live video almost every time so that anybody who is struggling, oh my God, today you are live, bro, man. You did not miss this one today. You did not miss this one today. Good day, engulfing king. I mount today. Omo, you mount, Gidigba. You mount. I see you, my brother. I see you. You have been missing the live stream. I know. But today you mount, man. Alpha, how is work now? Ezekiel, oh my God. See my people. Alpha now. This one where all of them are just they pop like this. Ezekiel, how you doing? How is evening? I travel. That's why. Okay. No wonder. You are not stable. Okay. That's good, Sha. That's good. But regardless, God is your protector, man. All right, that's very great. You're fine. That was all right. Just Ezekiel, hope you're active because I don't to see your message on WhatsApp. How far? I mean, you don't you not give me updates. How far? I know they to see you active on WhatsApp. I mean, you don't blow that account. Don't tell me that. I don't want to be here. All right. So we are going to do a top-down analysis. So get your pairs prepared and drop it on the comment section. I'm going to follow it one after the other. Then we'll do. I'm good, boss. All right, that's very great. That's very great of you, Ezekiel, Abba. Get your favorite pair prepared. You understand? Then we'll do a top-down analysis on all of them. Let's see how today candlestick close. You understand? Then we'll see how we're going to prepare for tomorrow. You understand? Then before we start, one thing, first thing first, please make sure you keep like first thing first that will make you a profitable trader is one, be very, very disciplined. Two, be very, very patient. Three, get your strategy in order. Then four, risk management. You understand? Discipline, patience, risk management, and your strategy. Those four things, please keep them together. And the most especially one, the most special one is discipline. Because once you have discipline, the remaining one is Jara. You understand? If you understand what Jara mean, the remaining one is minor. You get. So once you have discipline, once you are very very disciplined, every other thing is minor. You understand? You can like handle them stressless. You get. So be very very disciplined. Make sure you stick to your plan. You understand? Once you can be able to stick to your plan without breaking it, means you are getting higher in discipline. You understand? Once you can be able to wait for your strategy to play out, means you are disciplined. Once you can be able to like wait for your strategy to play out, wait for your stick to your risk management, then you don't take trade. Like you follow your trading plan. Let me just say follow your trading plan as a whole, means you are good in this thing. You are disciplined. Then the remaining thing is work on your strategy very very well. You get. Work on your strategy, know how your strategy work, know how many risk to reward your strategy give. You understand? Before you go against you, that's the only thing you need to know. Then trade management, know when your strategy is misbehaving, know when everything is not going well, know the direction of the market before you take your trade, know everything, just put everything together and you are good to go. So let's dive into it, man. Let's dive into it. So this is a community, this is a family coming together to like do a top-down analysis, teach ourselves how to be profitable in this particular financial market. You get. So let's dive into the main topic now like this. Let me see a comment. Your comment means a lot to me. This is a community where a creator have its viewers time to go through their this thing comment one after the other. Your comment means a lot to me. You get. Your comment means a lot to me, so I go through the comment to know what you are facing one after the other. You get. That just it. Let me see. Ezekiel, you say, sir, you have you have heard you have you have here. They say I breathed. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You have breached the account so soon. So let me see. It is what it is. Exactly. Don't worry, you should breach the account. And you did not let me know. And you did not let me know. You did not let me know. Hi, Akin Akin Hatata. Akin Hatata, you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. I see this your name for the first time. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. The community love you. All everybody here loves you. You understand? Me myself, the creator, I love you. You're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. Your presence is feel. Your comment is appreciated. Whatever you type is appreciated. You get, my bro. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Crumpet. Which one is crumpet? So, Lydia 8233. You're highly welcome. You get. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. So let me see. Keep like make sure you like tell me your favorite pair on the comment section so that we'll dive into the analysis. You get. Tell me your favorite pair while I get my analysis. Well, while I get my trading view ready, tell me your favorite pair. Tell me your favorite pair. Tell me your favorite pair. Yap, my bro. Yap, my bro. Your presence is filled, my bro. I feel your presence. Yeah, I feel your presence. I feel your presence. I feel your presence. You're highly welcome. So tell me your favorite pair so that I will do a top-down analysis. Let's see how the like Monday candlestick is trying to close. Then we can predict tomorrow. You understand? We can predict what will happen tomorrow. So that's it. That's it. I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your comment. I'm waiting for your comments. Why my trading view is loading? You get why my trading view is loading. I'm waiting for your comment. That's just it. Yep. Waiting for your comment to like tell me your favorite pair, then I'll analyze it for you. one after the other. I follow the comments one after the other. You understand? One after the other. I follow the comments one after the, and if you have any question, even if it's not top down analysis or technical analysis that you want, if you have any question, if you are passing through anything and you want me to like talk about that particular thing, you want me to like talk about that particular thing, just let me know. This fan is disturbing me, just face this side first. So talk about that particular thing, then like voice out, let me give you my own view, because I've been in the industry for long. I know what exactly I'm doing right now. That's the reason why I can be able boldly come to this particular live stream to like rub my with traders. You understand? All right, all right, all right, all right. USDJPY, EuroJPY. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Noted, 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 noted. So which one come first? USDJPY come first. All right. So let me, yeah, the trading view is ready. The trading view is ready. The trading view is ready. So let me share my screen real quick. Real quick, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So if you drop comment, please be very, very patient for me. Let me be following it one after the other. You understand? I follow comments one after the other because I don't want anybody to get angry. I don't want to be like skipping comments. I'm not a creator who ignore comments. No, 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 no. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be part of that particular type of traders or type of creator. Yep, that does it. Okay, this is our, okay, this is, I think, okay, this is Euro USD, USD JPY. I think USD JPY is the first that we'll get. USD JPY is the first that we'll get. Okay, let me see. USD JPY from our brother SK. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let me dive into the analysis now. Let me dive in. So you can drop your own favorite pair, the pair that you know you love the most. You understand? The pair that you trade the most. You might have done your own analysis, but you like just drop it again. You understand? Drop it. Let me do my own analysis so that you compare the two analysis. You get? They say two head is better than one according to our own this thing proverb. So let me do my own analysis. Then you do. Then you compare it with your own analysis. Then you see how it's gonna like relate. You get? So let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Then Destiny, don't forget my like. Don't forget my like. Don't forget my like. And I'll be very, very appreciate if you like the video go by itself. I don't know why I will end live stream. After all these particular views and the rest, then I'll just see three like. You understand? Three like, five like, seven like, nine like. That nine likes will be maybe after the live stream and the rest. People who go just come across it. You understand? Like, I bet just like the video as we are doing the analysis. You can still like the video. After you like the video, that red button, that red heart at the, like, as you hold your phone like this, at the right hand side of your phone, you can just tap on that particular heart, then be giving me like, man, reaction, so that YouTube will recommend the live to other people, because I want this community to be big. See what exactly what I'm doing here. This analysis, this teaching that I'm doing for free here, that is the same thing Harvey Forex is going to collect 1 million from everybody who will be just 1 million for just 1 month too. He call it December trading camp abi boat trading boat abi wetin. 1 million for subscription, 999,000 naira, is it not 1 million naira? And they will not even see. I don't want to like talk much about that. I don't want to talk much about that. Heritage is here, bro. Good evening. Oh my God. Yeah, you're highly welcome. Your presence is she. Your presence is she. I feel your presence, my brother. You're highly welcome. Village people waiting. I do honor. I beg now, Ezekiel. What is village? Village people not be anything. You understand? There's nothing like village people, bro. Forget village people. Nothing like village people. Village people don't even know that you exist, my bro. Village people cannot see you. My network dey give me issue. Don't worry, it's not village people. Nothing like village village people no even exist. You see everything that do us everything that we see for this life is the way we think. You understand? Whatever you see in this life is just the way you think and the way you comprehend things. And there's nothing like village people. Don't even make that mistake, my brother. Nothing like village people. How far guy? Ade, my bro. How you doing? Dixon, Ifeanyi. How you doing? You got the laugh, Abi. You think there is something like village people? Fuck that village people, man. Nothing like village people. Yeah, let me go to the USJPY just as you said. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. USDJPY. Okay, this is it here. This USDJPY. This USDJPY. This USDJPY. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. This is 15-minute time frame, but I'm gonna do. I want to do something first before I do the analysis. I want to do something first before I do the analysis. Yep. Mm. Can you guys see what I'm saying? But this is not time for trading. No. Don't go and enter. Make I even delete on sharply before some people go and take trade in the night. There's no much volatility. No volatility on the chart before you go and take this particular trade. No volatility. If not, we for take a buy. No volatility. See USDJPY. We for take a buy, but there is no volatility. There we don't take buy when this time around, you understand? We don't take buy, you understand? We don't take buy here, you understand? If not, we for had it been during London section or New section, we will just take a buy straight you get from this particular area. But this is not exactly what I want to do yet. I just dey open the this in the chat and see opportunity immediately, but nevertheless, we are gonna do the main thing, man. We are gonna do the main thing. I just open chat immediately and see opportunity. What the heck is this, man? This is just a temptation. This is not temptation. With a little confusion. We are getting fucked, man. Oh yeah, let's do the real thing. So first of all, we are going to the higher time frame, which is daily time frame, to know how today candlestick close. You understand? To know the reaction of the market, to know how today candlestick is trying to close. You understand? That is how you do your analysis every time. Anytime you wake up, before you take your trade, make sure you know how, like, yesterday candlestick close. You understand? As you can see, I did not do analysis on this particular USDJPY yesterday, which is Sunday. You understand? If not, I foresee this particular bearish engulfing trend. You see, I'll go to the lower time frame now and predict the market for you guys. Regardless, as the market is going to the upside, this is a bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. You understand? This particular candle still supposed to close. We have less than we have about 2 hours 38 minutes for this particular candlestick to close, for today candlestick to close, because this is 8:21. You understand? So we don't know either if this particular candlestick will close bearish or bullish. You understand? But regardless, the way this particular candlestick close bearish engulf, we have been seeing bearish engulf and the market is being like disrespecting it, but I don't know, nobody know how this particular one is going to do. You understand? So the reason why the market is being disrespecting it is because the market is taking an aggressive move to the upside. And if you look closely, the market moved from here. Since the market moved from this particular area, from this particular area, from this particular area, has been doing lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Nobody know either the market is trying to do it another higher high. You get, this is exactly what I'm seeing. You understand? On the 1 hour time, on the daily time frame, Daily time frame, let me just say last week Friday closed bearish and it's closed bearish engulf. So today candlestick, if I didn't even I do the analysis yesterday, I will like tell you guys that today candlestick is going to close bearish regardless of how the market has been going, disrespecting the bearish engulfing candle. You understand? But regardless, we are going to the 4-hour time frame. Let's mark the support and the resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? Since we have seen how the daily time frame is behaving, we are going to the lower time frame. Let's see how 4-hour time frame is behaving as well. You understand? And hold it in mind, regardless of how the market is trying to close, go up, there is we'll still have up to we still have more than 2 hour 36 minutes for this particular candlestick to close, and within that 2 hour 36 minutes the market can take an aggressive move to the downside for this particular candlestick to close bearish. You understand? And if the candlestick close bullish and it refused to engulf, then just watch out. Although the market is going to the upside, and before we suspect or predict that the market will go to the downside, we must see a clean and clear break of structure. You understand? But presently, for day traders, swing traders and scalpers, we are going to the lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, to mark a support and resistance level out for for day traders, swing traders and scalpers to know what exactly to be expecting when the market is on a support level or a resistance level. You understand? Hope you guys are getting value. Or am I too rushing the analysis? If I'm rushing the analysis, just let me know. Can you see your WhatsApp? I sent you a message now. First name, first name. Which I don't know yet. You get, I'm on a live video. I don't know. Maybe after the live video, then I will check. If I'm rushing the analysis, just let me know on the comment section. I'm seeing all the comment section. You understand? If I'm rushing the analysis, just let me know so that I will know how to slow down or anyhow. And if you guys are getting exactly what I'm saying, then fine and good. Then we'll just keep going. I need the response from you guys. Oh, heritage. Oh my God. So no wahala. After the I will be chatting now. After the live section, I will check. You are okay with the okay. That's very great. That's very good. That's very good. That's very great. Thank you so much, Shudi. Okay, so this is here. This is 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what exactly are you saying? The market give this bearish engulfing candle, but still the market is still want to continue its movement to the upside. If not, after this particular bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, today is supposed to be a bearish engulfing candle, but the market is still trying to struggle to the upside. But what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame, if this particular candlestick can take an after this particular pin bar that feed this particular fair value gap, let me mark the fair value gap that this particular candlestick went and fill. This particular candlestick, this particular candle fill this particular fair value gap. You understand? After a spike to the upside, it come down and close like a hammer. You understand? Please, if I'm doing analysis, please pay very very close attention. Please, I would like you guys to be pay close attention to the analysis. Then you grab one or two things. I beg. For my own analysis, if you combine, if you join it to your own, then just I want you guys to be getting value. That's the reason why I waste all my I'm supposed to be in my shop now like this, but I sacrifice the time to come and spend it with you guys. So if I'm doing analysis and you guys are not getting it and you are not telling me that you are not getting the analysis, it will pay me. That means I'm wasting, like I left my shop for nothing. So I want you guys to be getting value. That's the reason why I come to this particular live video. You understand? So the reason why you see a spike and the market come down and close like a hammer is because of this particular fair value gap that I mark out. You get? That's the reason why the market moved from here to fill the fair value gap. Now the market is like moving to the downside, and we'll have like that kind. We will still have like 2 hour 31 minutes for this particular candlestick to close, and for today candlestick to close. And if this particular candlestick close and be able to take an aggressive move, maybe make a double bottom or go below this particular support level, means that is very very great, means the market is going to like retrace a bit from this particular support level. Like if the market, as the market is coming to this support level, it will like retrace a bit, you understand, then it will break to the main support level here before we see another push to the upside, because the market give a bearish engulfing candle on on the daily time frame on Friday, last Friday, you get. So this is exactly what I'll be expecting on USD JPY, you understand, as the market is moving to the downside. And if you look closely, the reason why the market is moving to the downside, if you look closely, the reason why I told you guys that I'm a bullish master, like I'm a master of bullish engulfing candle, not only engulfing, and not only bullish engulfing, both bullish and bearish engulfing candle. I'm a master of engulfing candlestick. You understand? Because whenever you see an engulfing candlestick, the market is changing direction. You guys supposed to like study that my that's that's my this thing. How am I even going to put it? That's my name. You understand? You understand? That my title. Master of engulfing candlestick. If you check my description anywhere, you understand? I even put it 15 minutes bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick on my description, but it's all the time frame. You understand? But I take my trade on only 15-minute time frame. That's the reason why I'm claiming that 15 minutes bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick. 15-minute engulfing candlestick. You understand? Master of 15 minutes engulfing candlestick. That is it. You understand? Because I master it, and whenever I see it, I know what exactly to do. You understand? And it has been making me profitable for the past how many months now, consistently. You get, consistently, not that I'm bearing the name for nothing. And I can give you an example of bullish engulfing candle on this particular chart now that is working. You understand? So this is one bearish engulfing candle, and since you see this bearish engulfing candles, sure you know that the market have not do anything to the upside much like that before it's breaking to the downside. You understand? As the market break below this particular resistance level, support level, this is a support level. You understand? We call this one, this is a support level. Let me even extend this particular one instead. Let me extend this particular one instead. This is a resistance level. You understand? It was once a support level. You understand? Because the market come to this particular place, went up, come, you understand? Then this is a support level. The market break the support level. If you understand market structure well well, if market break a support level, there must be a retracement to the upside to fill any particular fair value gap the market to like leave when breaking that particular support level or resistance level before we see another push to the downside. You understand? And that is exactly what the market went up here to fill. You get. So what we'll be expecting is the market to come to this particular support level, maybe give us a little retracement to the upside before we see it break to the downside, or come to this particular support level, give us a clean W pattern on the lower time frame, then it will break to the upside because the market want to take an aggressive move to the upside. It's been taking an aggressive move to the upside, and it has not break any major support level. Before you see that the market will like change its direction to the downside is until it break a daily major support level. You understand? Daily time frame major support level. That is when you know that yes, the market have changed its direction. You understand, to the downside. So right now like this, the market is still an uptrend. Target a buy from a support level when you see a clean buy, a clean engulfing candle from a major support level. You understand? When the market form a W pattern on a support level target an engulfing candle, then you enter and join the market to the upside regardless of the bearish engulfing candle you are seeing. If not until the market break a major support level or the daily time frame, there is no way the market can be able to go to the downside, because there are plenty support level that will like buyers will step in to still push the market to the upside, you understand, until sellers have the like capacity to break a major support level either on the daily time frame, you understand, support level, before we see that the market will like go to the downside. Because if sellers have the capacity to break below daily time frame support level, then buyers will be very afraid to enter, because they will not like maybe try to lose, you understand. Everybody will just try to follow the trend to the downside till e reach another major support level before buyers will like maybe try to like take over, you get. So let me see. Hope you guys are getting value. Hope you guys are getting value. Thank you so much. All right. That's very great. That's very great. Hope you guys are getting value. Hope you guys are like understanding what exactly I'm saying. Mm. This is just like a top-down analysis and a technical analysis. How you're supposed to do your top-down analysis and how you're supposed to be thinking like to do your technical. When something is technical means you are doing it with like technique. You understand? When you are using techniques to do something, not the normal way, not the normal approach, you are using technique to approach something. That is what technical analysis is all about. You understand? So all right, thank you, UD. You are getting value, means I'm very like that's very great, you get. So that is exactly what I'm seeing, you understand, on the 4 this is exactly what I'm seeing on the 4 time frame. The market will come to this particular support level, either will see a retracement to the upside, or you should see a clean W pattern, you can enter for a buy, then your stop loss will be below this particular support level and target 1 to 2 or target the next high, depending on how strong your strategy played out, you get. So if not until then, we might see a break to the downside. And before you take any trade, please don't forget your risk management, because the longer you stay on the chart, the more you understand how the chart work. If not because I've been consistently active on the chart, there is no way I'll know how to do a top-down analysis and a technical analysis, and there is no way I'm going to discover anything called engulfing candlestick on the market, and there's no way I'm going to like have a working strategy until you are very consistent with the chart. Make the chart your friend. Just as I always tell you guys, make the chart your friend. Go to the chart and gist with the chart every blessed time, every blessed day, you understand, until the chart will be telling you the secret behind forex, you understand. Chart now will come on my chart now, and the chart and the candlestick that you see like this will tell me that okay, this is where the market is going to. If it's time for me to stay away, I will just stay away, and if it's time for me to like do anything, I'll just take action, you get. But I'll first of all listen to the like language, listen to what the candlestick is saying, you understand. Every candlestick that you see on the chart have its own this thing, have its own meaning, you understand, and have what it's telling traders. You get. Every candlestick that you see on the chart have what exactly it's telling traders, you get. Okay, immediately as you see this particular engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame from here, then you wait for a little retracement. Immediately you see this particular engulfing candle, shey you know that yes, the candlestick have tell you that yes, this is the time to buy to that particular fair value gap that is up. You understand? The market, the candlestick will be telling you exactly what is going to happen. Okay, now, as you see this particular pin bar from that particular fair value gap, should the market give you sign? As the market reach this particular fair value gap, it give you a hammer, just like a pin bar. You understand? that yes, people who use that particular strategy, the market tell them that yes, this is where the market will reach before it will like take another move to the downside a bit. You understand? Lis ten very very carefully to the candlestick. Candlestick is not just forming, candlestick is telling a story. Every candlestick that form, even on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, 30 minutes, any time frame at all the candlestick that form tells a story about the chart, tell you something about the chart. Is for you now to be very very calm and disciplined enough to lis ten to the candlestick and be getting the like getting the value and be understanding the language the candlestick is speaking to you. You understand? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Okay, I don't think I'm going to do more than this particular 4 hour time frame because there are swing traders, there are scalpers, and there are day traders. You understand? So swing traders will know as we did the analysis to this particular from the daily time frame. I show you guys what the daily time frame is doing. This is a bearish engulfing candle that give us a sign. Whenever me I see a bearish engulfing candle, is a sign that the market is going to the downside. That is my own belief because that is what bearish engulfing candle tell me. And bullish engulfing candle from the support level will tell me that yes, this is where I'm going to, means the market is going to the upside. You get? So my own now, what the market is telling me now is I'm going to one support level first to rest to. That is what the market is telling me on the daily time frame. I don't know if this particular area can be okay for the market to like move to the upside, but this is the support level that me I'm targeting, that the market will come first before it will move either to the upside or still move to the next support level. You get? That is exactly what the market is telling me now like this. You get? So I think if you understand the analysis so far, please let me see a reaction from you. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction real quick. Let me see a reaction real quick. If you understand what I'm like the gist and the analysis that have been like what if you have been under if you understand what I've been saying on the chat, both the gist and the analysis, please let me see understood. Let me see on okay fire. Let me see understood. Let me see understood. If you understand the gist, the little gist that will just gist on the chat now, let me see understood. Real quick, real quick, real quick, so that we'll go to another pair. So that we'll go to another pair. You understand? So that we'll go to another pair. The reason why I'll not go to like I'll not like go to the lower time frame is because I don't want like to confuse every other persons. You understand? Understood. Okay, that's very great, UD. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great, UD. Thank you so much. Okay, the next one that we are going to is Ezekiel that asked this particular question, but I'm not. Okay, he complained that he's having network issue. He made that complaint that he's having network issue. Okay, maybe he might come back to this particular video and rewatch it or something. Mm, anyone, sure. So the next one is the one that gives said that is EURJPY from Gift. Gift, I don't know if you are still active. Gift. I don't know if you are still active. If you're active, let me see a reaction. Even if it's just a reaction, let me see a reaction from you, then we'll continue. Gift, if you're active, I'm going to like answer to your question now. You said I should analyze Euro JPY. Let me do a thorough top down analysis on Euro JPY for you. Okay, you're active. So please listen very, very carefully. I'm going to like do a top down analysis, you understand? And we are going to be gisting with that particular candlesticks. You understand? Because I would like you to understand everything I'm going to say on EURJPY. You understand? I would like gist on that particular pair, gist with every candlestick on that particular pair. You understand? so that everybody will understand. And I want you to listen and listen very, very carefully to that particular to this analysis I'm about to do. You understand? So let me go inside very, very fast. Let me go inside very, very fast. Is it Ab Abu Fax? Abu Fax, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Abu Fax, you're welcome. I see you. You raise hand. I don't know what exactly you want to say. You raise hand, but I don't know what exactly you want to say. Please, if you have anything to say, please drop it on the comment section. I don't leave any comment behind. Abu Fax, if you have anything to say, just drop it on the comment section, please. I will respond to you, please, 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 please. I don't leave any comment section. I don't leave any comment behind. So let me go straight to the question, to the analysis. Euro JPY. Let me EUR JPY, EUR JPY, EUR JPY, EUR JPY. Yeah, this one is USD JPY. Let me go to EUR JPY. Should I type it? I think I've done analysis on that particular pair. Let me just type it. EUR JPY. Yeah, it's here already. Future now. Japanese yen, future forex. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Euro. Let me see. JPY. Forex Rwanda. Alright. I would like to use this one. I would like to use this. Yep. Alright. This is on our screen here. This is EURJPY. Then what exactly I'm seeing on EURJPY is almost the same with what I see on USD JPY. You guys get? It's almost the same with what I see on USD JPY. But first of all, I'll go to the daily time frame just the way I do the like USD JPY. You understand? First of all, we'll go to daily time frame. Let's do it from the daily time frame. Let's see what last week candlestick, like that is last week candlestick say. Let's see what last week candlestick say. Last week Friday candlestick say. Then let's see what today candlestick is about to like do. You understand? So let's go to daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's still the same thing. You understand? With USD JPY, but I'm not going to mention that again. Let me just do a separate analysis on this particular one. Okay, what exactly are you guys seeing? This is a bearish engulfing candle on a daily time frame. You understand? And whenever you see a bearish engulfing candle, that is a sign that the market have gone to a point where it wants like rest. So it will come down to a support level and take a rest. Then after it rests from that particular support level, it's either it move from that particular support level to the next resistance level, or it will consolidate on that particular support level, fill fair value gap, or fill any particular gap it need to fill, or take out any particular high it need to take out. Then it will break to the downside. If that particular support level that the market is presently is not enough for the market, is not that strong for the market to move from to the upside. You understand? And as you can see, the market is being an uptrend for long. You understand? The market is being an uptrend for long. So the market give us a bearish engulfing candle. And the reason why this particular bearish engulfing candle is not going to like move us that far is because this particular pair has been given a bearish engulfing candle, and the market is not going down far before it will like go to the higher to before it will move and create a higher high. Do you get? So this particular bearish engulfing candle, you should look closely and you see that the market give a bearish engulfing candle in the previous, in the last day, in the last trading day, then what you need to do is go to your 4 hour time frame and mark a support and a resistance level out. You understand? Since you have seen that the markets have the previous day closed bearish, today is Monday, and you guys know that Monday trade is not that accurate. You understand? If not, this particular candlestick that close bearish, today candlestick suppose close bearish no matter what. Even if the market will move to the upside from this particular support level where the market is presently, at least today candlestick suppose like consolidate around this particular area, then close bearish. Then tomorrow we'll see a bullish engulfing candle above the bearish engulfing candle. Then we'll know that yes, the market will move up from this particular support level. But regardless, let's still go to 4 hour time frame. Then we'll like discuss more on that particular 4 hour time frame. But hold it in mind, hold it in mind. This is my secret, and I always tell you guys, whenever you see a bullish or a bearish engulfing candlestick, just know that the market is about to take the opposite direction of the previous trend. You understand? Except if that particular bearish engulfing candlestick is invalid. And if you see that the market is an uptrend, 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 and it give you a bearish engulfing candlestick, don't too trust that bearish engulfing candlestick. But if you see that the market is an uptrend, 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 and it give you a bullish engulfing candlestick, just trust that bullish engulfing candlestick, because it's going to like play it out. 90% of the time when the market is trending to the upside and you see a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame and you enter your buy, it's going to play it out the way you want it 90% of the time. If it goes against you, it will be like 90-10. You understand? 90% in your favor and 10% against you. That is how it is, because there is no any strategy on this planet Earth that is 100% accurate. You guys need to know that. Do you get? Do you guys get? Okay. We dey do top down analysis. We are doing let me just say we are doing top down analysis, we are doing technical analysis, and we are still gisting so that we understand what candlestick is all about. Shey you guys get? So that we understand what candlestick is all about. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 4 hour time frame real quick. Okay, on our screen here, this is 4 hour time frame. You understand? On our screen here, this is 4 hour time frame. Hope you guys are getting valued. If you are getting value, let me see a reaction, please. If you are getting value, let me see a reaction. If you are getting value, let me see a reaction, please. Real quick, real quick, real quick. If you are getting value, let me see reaction. Let me see reaction. Let me see reaction. Let me see reaction real quick. Then we'll fire on. Okay, okay, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. That is Ezekiel. Okay, Ezekiel, you are back. I've done your analysis. So maybe you forward back after the live section. Maybe you forward back, then you like grab everything. That's very great. Thank God you are getting value. I don't know if gift is still active, or maybe network is disturbing her. I don't know. I don't know if gift is still active. I don't know if gift is still active, but the analysis is for everybody. You understand? The analysis is for everybody, regardless. Okay, you are active. That's very great. That's very great. The analysis is for everybody, regardless. I am all right. That's very great. That's very great. Thank you. The analysis is for everybody, regardless, because this particular analysis that I can be able to do on every pair is not that I trade every pair. So my favorite pair is just three. 2024, my favorite pair is just one, Euro USD. You understand? But this 2025, I make it three. Which which are those favorite pairs that I'm talking about? Euro USD, GBP USD, and XA USD. In my Twitter account, if you check my description on my Twitter, you see that I said I'm a king of Euro USD because of how I study Euro USD throughout 2024. You understand? And I end 2024 in profit. I just went straight to my Twitter and I said I'm a king of Euro USD. If you search Benv FX on tweet on Google, if you search Benv FX on Google, you are going to like see that they'll bring my Twitter handle or my YouTube handle. On my YouTube handle, you will see it, like you see a description of 15 minutes engulfing master this thing, this and that you get. And if it's on my Twitter, you see a king of Euro USD, you get. That's what you are going to see from Twitter. I'm going to like update it, but that's what you're going to see on Twitter. You get, because 2024, throughout 2024, I make sure I study Euro USD from the beginning to the end. Is this 2025 that I add GBP USD and Euro USD? And if you are a beginner watching me here right now, I want you to like leave every other pairs. You understand? Every other pair will give you fast money. But do you know a beginner friendly pairs? A beginner friendly pairs is Euro USD. Make sure you master your strategy on Euro USD. If you master your strategy on Euro USD, there is no any other pair that you cannot trade. As I did like this, I can trade any pair at all using my strategy that I master from Euro USD. You understand? Last week throughout, I trade only GBP USD because there is no I trade only XA USD because there is no opportunity for me on GBP USD and Euro USD. You understand? But which particular strategy did I use to take all those trades on XA USD is the strategy that I mastered from Euro USD. You understand? That I'm using to trade XA USD. So if you are a beginner here, please stick to Euro USD because that is the beginner friendly pair. Make your own research. You understand? I don't want you guys to just come here and you don't get value. No. Make your own research. Then ask which pair is a beginner friendly pair that is less volatile. Master that particular one first. Give yourself 1 year to master one particular pair. Know how your strategy work in that particular pair. You see this market that you are seeing? Okay. Can we also analyze the Euro USD and JP USD? I'm going to that, don't worry. You understand? Gifts, just keep calm. I'm going to that. I will analyze that. Don't worry, I will analyze that. If you want to like know how, see, but I'm just gisting with you guys so that you guys will be knowing some things that you need to know as a trader. You understand? Because all these things, I have passed through all these things. Now it's for me to give value to the beginner trader and an advanced traders. You understand? I've passed through all those phases. You understand? 2024, I stick to just Euro USD throughout. You understand? Then 2025, the strategy that I stick to on 2024, the strategy works on every pairs, both on crypto in this thing, both on crypto, forex, this thing synthetics. You see that my strategy, it works on every pairs. You understand? It works on every market, every, like anything concerning trading, that particular strategy works on it. Just go to any chart, you understand, and be looking for bullish engulfing candle. If it will not be like giving you accurate, no matter how rough it is, 70%, just backtest engulfing candlestick. I'm the one that is giving you guys that strategy for free. If you have your own strategy, please stick to your strategy. Stick to the one that you understand very, very well. Don't switch your strategy just because of my own. You understand? But I'm telling you guys from what I've been studying. You understand? What I've been like putting my eyes on like this. You understand? That has been working for me. That's the only thing. So whatever you stick to for a while must give you results. You understand? That is why patience and discipline patience, discipline and patience play a vital role. You understand? Discipline yourself, you understand, and stick to your strategy, stick to that particular strategy, then be very, very patient with it and with yourself. You are going to get results. Be very patient, give yourself enough time, because as you see this particular market is going to be here till your next generation, to the next generation, to the next generation. You understand? So there is no need to rush. That is the sense I give myself early 2024, that I deposited just $20 into my OctaFS account and I trade with it. You understand? And I master my strategy. Then this 2025, I can boldly come on live here and tell you guys and analyze the chart with you guys, for you guys. You understand? So let's see what the 4 hour candlestick is saying. Let's see what the 4 hour candlestick is saying. You understand? On Euro JPY. Let's see what the 4 hour candlestick is saying. This one, I turn you, you still turn back. What is this? Don't disturb me. Stay like this. At least stay like this. So this is it here. What exactly are you seeing? The market come to this particular, okay, let's go to daily time frame. This is the support level where this particular bearish engulfing candle take aggressive move to. You understand? Then on the 4 hour time frame, the market move from this particular support level. This is a major support level. Regardless, this is a major support level. So as the market take an aggressive move to this particular area, the market give this particular bullish engulfing candle. Merely the market give this bullish engulfing candle, it went all the way to this particular area. What exactly, if you look closely, let me expand this particular chart so that you guys will see it very, very well. If you look closely, what exactly this market come here to do? I want to see I want to see answer from you guys. If you guys are following what I've been saying, what exactly the market come to this particular area to do? Let me mark it out. What exactly the market come to this particular area to do? On the 4 hour time frame, I'll be waiting for your response on the comment section real quick. I'll be waiting for your comment. Okay, I'll be waiting for your comment. What exactly that particular, the market move from that particular support level to go and do, where I put that horizontal line at the top? What exactly it filled the FVG there? All right, that's very great. That's very great. Is there any other person that will tell me what exactly what the market do? Ezekiel have given his own this thing view to get some orders. All right, that's very great. So let me see another response. Let me see another response. Who's active again? What exactly that particular candlestick, the market went all the way to that upside to do? Which mission, like which particular thing he went, and which, like the market come to a support level and move up, then after he move up, he refused to create another all-time high, then start coming down that particular place where the market reach, where I mark that horizontal line. What exactly the market went there to do? I need another answer. I need another reply real quick. I need another reply to come and mitigate that FVG. All right. Three answer, and that is very okay. Another, to feel the bearish FVG. Oh, that's very great. All right. So you guys are following, and I love that. You guys are following, and I love that. Although I give small expo, but I know you guys know what exactly the market went there to do. You understand? Because you guys, at least you guys are an experienced traders who still really want to like gather more knowledge. You understand? Who still really wants to like gather more knowledge. I know you guys know what fair value gap is all about on the chart. You know what support and resistance level is all about on the chart. You know how to mark your support and resistance. You know how to mark your support and resistance level. You know how to like mark a trend line. You understand? But the things now that we are going to like clear ourselves is what is happening behind every particular candlestick. How can you read that particular candlestick? How can the where exactly the market will reach, then you'll be expecting a sell or a buy. You understand? That's exactly what we are going to teach ourselves. You understand? You guys, all the answer that I get, let me see, start from who answer first is Ezekiel. Ezekiel said it feel the FVG there, of which is very very correct. You understand? Then Gift say to get some order, and it's still very correct because there are some orders waiting for it there. You understand? On that particular fair value gap, because there are people who place order on that particular fair value gap because they know that the market will come and mitigate that particular fair value gap, then go to the downside. You understand? So there is order around that particular area. So Gift is correct. Then Aminu Mama, Aminu Mama. Okay, Aminu Mama says it come and mitigate the FVG, of which is very very correct too. Then Gift also give another answer. You understand? That to fill the bearish fair value gap, of which all of you guys are very 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 accurately and 100% correct. You understand? So that is the place that I mark out. That is the fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame that the market went from this part. As the market come to this particular support level, it went all the way. Like e don gather. See, you know, say if you dey run, if you are running and you get tired, you like maybe find somewhere and sit down. After you sit down, then you like then you start another journey. You understand? Then you start the journey again. So as the market run from the upside, from the high, from the all-time high, it run all the way to this particular support level. That support level is the place that it sit down to rest. So as it sit down on that particular support level to rest, there is a place that is jump. You understand? Maybe let me just say you are clearing grass now. You understand? On your farm, you are clearing grass on your farm, and maybe there is time for you to rest. And after you sit down to rest, you see that yes, this particular place like it's like I jumped this place when clearing the classroom. Oh yeah, let me go and clear everything so that everything will be clear. You understand? That's exactly what the market do. That's the practical example of what the market do. The market run from that particular all-time high to the support level when it where it come to rest. You understand? So as it come to that particular support level, there's a fair value gap. You understand that it leave, he refused to feel it before it coming to the downside. So as e don rest now, as e don see one particular place sit down small now, its eye come down and say okay, let me just go and feel this particular gap. And immediately after omo dis gist wey I dey gist with una dis night okay we are using both like we are using everything now to analyze the market. You understand? We are all going to understand it by fire by force. You get? We are all going to understand it by fire by force. So as the market go to that particular fair value gap and feel and fulfill it from or fulfill what it's supposed to do, what exactly do you see? It take an aggressive move. It's taking the right move to the downside. I will not say an aggressive move. It's taking the right move to the downside. What is the right move that the market is taking? This is a bearish engulfing candle, or should I expand it? From the fair value gap, after it mitigates the fair value gap, this is a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. So for swing traders now, they might enter, like they can boldly enter their sell position here like this and put their stop loss above, they can enter their sell like this. um After the market have fulfilled, like fit this particular fair value gap and give a bearish engulfing candle, they will, like they can enter their trade like this and target this particular support level. You understand? After this, after the market come to this particular support level, they will watch closely to see how they will see the, like, the reaction of the market from this particular support level. You understand? At least they will target one to two. At least know how they will target one to two. But the market will come to this particular support level, then they will see the reaction of the market from this particular support level. Either this particular support level is enough for the market to move to the upside, or it's to break it to the downside, to like to the next support level. You understand? And where is the next support level? There's a support level down here. You understand? After this particular support level, there's another support level down here, and there's another major support level down here. You understand? Let me mark it out. So the market might come to this. Let me carry this. There's a support level down here, where the market might break to, and there's another support level down here, because the market have moved very very far. To be sincere, the market have moved very very far. So people who take a swing trade, they might take their sell from that particular area, then be watching it closely. You understand? When the market come to this particular area and they see the reaction of the market, maybe as the market come like this, tap on this particular area, go to fit this particular fair value gap. If they see that the market comes to this particular support level, then they will take out their position. You understand? Or take partial profit and leave the remaining one break to the downside. You understand? This is exactly what swing traders will do. But but me personally, I don't know if I have a swing trader among us here. But me personally, I don't use 4 hour time frame to like take my trade. I use 4 hour time frame to analyze the market. Then I use 15-minute time frame to confirm my entry. That is where I will confirm my entry and enter the trade. You understand? And if I enter trade, yes, the first 2 3 candlestick that will open and close, I will take out my position, because I always target 1 to 2. Depends on how my strategy work. You understand? Because I've studied my strategy for over, for close to 2 years now. You understand? For close to 2 years now. Yes. So I know how it work. I know how many risks to reward it will give me before it go against me. If the market is like taking an impulsive move, I know what to do immediately. So I've mastered my strategy to that particular level. You understand? That's how, that's the position I'm in now. That is how my trading, that is the level I've reached so far in this particular trading industry. So you guys understand what the market, since you guys understand what the market is doing from this particular area, the market come to this particular, will not like take longer time explaining it deeper again, because I've do the analysis from the daily time frame. I've done it from the 4 hour time frame. Then you guys have seen that there is a sign of the market going to the next support level, and this is the next support level. After this support level, we'll see a reaction of the market. Either it will give a W pattern and move to the upside, or it will like retrace a bit, then break below to the next support level. That is what we are going to be pay close attention to from tomorrow till the weekend. You understand? And just as promised, if I'm not, I don't know. I can come live. I can come on live video any particular time for you guys. That's just it. I can come on live video any particular time. Understand? Can you do platoon? UD German 40. This is your German 40. No problem. XPT USD and German 40 GR40, please. Thank you. I can do that. Don't worry. I can do that. After this one, immediately we'll do Euro USD and GBP USD. Then we'll go to your own XPT USD and GER40. You understand? So please hold on for me a bit. You understand? Hold on for me a bit. Let me let me finish this one. So please, if you understand this particular analysis, please let me know. If you understand this particular analysis, let me know real quick. Let me know on the comment section real quick. Let me know on the comment section real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Let me know on the comment section real quick. If you understand the analysis, let me know, let me know, let me know. So that we'll move to another one. So that we'll move to another analysis. There's a bearish engulfing candle here. That's just it. It's going down. That's just it. It's going down. It's going down. All this sign like this is just that the market is going to the downside. A little retracement, then it's going to the downside. So I'm waiting for your response on the comment section real quick. Then we'll move to the next question. Then we'll move to the next question. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay, yes, okay, understood. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. That's very great. That is very, very great. Understood, sir. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Okay, okay, okay. Then the one gift act is which one? Euro USD and GBP USD, if I'm not mistaken. Euro USD and GBP USD, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Okay, this is it here. Okay, let me see. Ezekiel, drop something. Ezekiel, is this a mistake or you just want to like what is this that you drop? What exactly is this that you drop on the comment section, please? Ezekiel, what exactly is this that you drop on the comment section? Let me know real quick or you delete it, please. Let me know real quick or you delete it, please. My brother Ezekiel, please, what is it? What exactly is that? That's not a comment that I will like that will understand. Or let me just help you. Maybe it's a mistake. Maybe it's a mistake. You understand? Because I don't want that. Please don't be angry. I don't want that. Don't share any link. You understand? Don't share any link. So okay, and we will also analyze Euro USD and JP USD. Okay, let's go to Euro USD and JP USD. But Ezekiel, I want to know if it's a mistake from you or you just want to like, or if you can tell me the reason for that particular thing that you drop. But if it's a mistake, no problem. Okay, 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 okay. It's an emoji, but it's showing link there. Okay, okay, so there's no problem, my brother. I understand. I understand. I've deleted it already, but no problem. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Some emoji. Okay, so let me go straight to Euro USD. Let me go straight to Euro USD. Let me go straight to Euro USD. Mm, 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 Let me go straight to Euro USD. Well, yeah, I might take it. Where did I take this from? Well, okay. Okay, let me see what's happening. So this market manage and reach this resistance level. I've not even check. So it manage and reach this particular resistance level. Imagine. Okay, so it will reach. Then why did it take this aggressive move? Monday trade. Like no wahala now. Like what Euro USD and GG USD is doing these days, I don't too understand them, but I will deal with them, sha. They are in my hand. I will deal with them. So I'm going to like clear all this particular drawing, then do a top-down analysis on this particular pair, a fresh analysis on Euro USD. Then after Euro USD, I'll go to GBP USD and do a fresh analysis on GBP USD as well. Then let's see what the market is doing. Then let's see what the market is doing. So this is it here. This is it here. I'm going to like delete everything. All right. Then first of all, just as I always say, you go to your higher time frame. You understand? During the weekend, during the trading week like this, all you need to do is go to your daily time frame. Know how today's candlestick is trying to close. You understand? Know how today candlestick close, then you can predict tomorrow candlestick. And if it is tomorrow morning, before you take your trade tomorrow morning, try take how this today Monday candlestick close before you know exactly what to expect tomorrow. You understand? If today candlestick close bearish, then and the bearish is healthy, expect tomorrow candlestick to close bearish. You understand? Then if today candlestick close bullish and the bullish is healthy, then expect tomorrow candlestick to close bullish. You get? That is one thing that you need to know. You get? Right? So let's go inside. Let's go inside. Okay, now I need the fan. Now I need the fan, but it's affecting me. I don't know why. All right. So now we are going to daily time frame. On a daily time frame, what exactly are we seeing? What exactly are we seeing? The market is just been misbehaving since last week as a whole. I have not taken a single trade on Euro USD and GBP USD because what they are doing, I don't really understand. We have about 1 hour 39 minutes for this particular candlestick to close. You understand? We have about 1 hour 39 minutes for this particular candlestick to close. And if this particular candlestick close and it close bullish and it's trying to like engulf this particular candlestick, just as you can see. You understand? If it close bullish and the bullish is somehow healthy, then we will be expecting tomorrow candlestick to close bullish. You understand? Then what we need to do is go to the lower time frame, which is 4 hour time frame, to mark your support and the resistance level out. You understand? Then you know what to like expect when the market come to a support level tomorrow. Then you know what to expect when the market come to go to a resistance level tomorrow. You understand? That's exactly how to do your analysis, like your daily analysis, not your weekly analysis. So this is it here. This is where the market is reacting from, this particular fair value gap. Should I call it a fair value gap? Or yeah, yes, let me call it a fair value gap because there's a gap here and the market tap on this particular area and is trying to like retrace to the upside. This is it here. But just that is on a daily time frame. And instead of the market to like mitigate the effect to the upside immediately, it just they're doing what I don't really understand. Although I understand the market is on a downtrend, you understand, but the market tap on this particular fair value gap and it's been consolidating, doing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Most especially last Friday. If you see what the market is doing, there is no any chance, there is no any like giving opportunity for buy or for a sell. Even today sef, the market even try give small opportunity for a buy, but I'm the one that not want to like buy because of what the market is been doing since last week. You understand? So I stay out of the market. Today I've not taken any trade. You understand? Today I've not taken any trade. So this is it here. We are seeing that the market is trying to like close bullish for this particular fair value gap, and the market is on a downtrend. So one two things is happening. Instead of one thing to happen, two things is happening, but it's still never too late. We are not like, what we are doing is to just do a top down analysis, then go to the lower time frame. Once you can be able to like manage your risk, you can trade in any in like, no matter the condition of the market. Once you can be able to master like to like manage your risk, you can trade, take your trade. You understand? Risk management and discipline, you are good to go. You understand? Wait for your strategy to play out and you just manage your risk very, very carefully. Even as the market is dancing up and down last week, I make sure I end the week in profit and I post it for you guys to see. You understand? So this is it here. We are going to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the 4 hour time frame is doing. You understand? Let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what the 4 hour time frame is doing. From this particular support level, this is what the 4 hour time frame is doing. You understand? The market is trying to give us a W pattern. The market is trying to give us a W pattern. Before you do anything, make sure at the back of your mind that the market is on a downtrend. You understand? The reason why we are seeing this particular consolidation around this area is because of this particular fair value gap on the daily time frame. So just have it at the back of your mind that the market is on a downtrend. And again, there's something I need to do. Since the markets have not given us any healthy bullish engulfing candle, I'm going to like go to the higher time frame, which is weekly time frame. Let me see how last week candlestick close. You understand? Let me see how last week candlestick close, because what Euro USD and AP USD is doing, I don't really understand it. You understand? I don't really understand it. And I don't, okay, can you see? This is a bearish engulfing candle. So what we will do now like this, what we will do now is target a sell whenever a market go to a resistance level. You understand? Whenever a market go to a resistance level, target a sell, regardless of how the market is behaving. You understand? Regardless of where the market is, whenever it go to a resistance level and your strategy play out for a sell, just enter a sell. You understand? Then if you are doing anything concerning buy, be very, very careful, because see this particular bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. This week that we are in presently, this week that we are in, is either it close engulf this particular candlestick or it close bearish. You understand? It's still probability. You understand? But this is a bearish engulfing candle and the market is on a support level. You understand? Had it been this particular bearish engulfing candle happen from a resistance level, just like this particular area, then I for say target a sell, a sell, a sell, a sell, a sell. You understand? Or maybe it happen from this particular area. You understand? Then I will say target a sell, a sell, a sell. But even regardless, as it happen from here, all you need to do is the market is on a downtrend. Just that it has not break the major support level yet. So once this particular week that we are in close bearish, then this is where we are going to find Euro USD will be targeting a sell. You understand? We'll be targeting a sell till the market reach this particular area. You understand? We'll be targeting a sell until the market reach this particular support level. This is a major support level. And this is a major support level. You understand? From way back, this is a major support level. So if this particular week that we are in close bearish, then we'll be targeting a sell, a sell, a sell till the market come to this particular support level before we'll see any, before we'll like listen to what the market is doing, then we'll like do anything concerning buy. You get? That's exactly what I'm saying. You get? That's exactly what I'm saying. And let me just say, swing traders now can even take their trade, take a sell from this particular area regardless, and put their stop loss above this particular area just like this. As a swing trader, I don't know if I should just go and take this particular trade on my swing trading account. On my swing account, let me see how many pip. This is 100 and, is it just 15 pip that I'm seeing? I be 153 pip. It's 153 pip. Okay, on Euro USD, no be small pip be that. So that's not a small pip on Euro USD. Then you target 1 to 2 is on this particular support level. You understand? 1 to 2 is on this particular support level because it will be very, very hard for the market to close and engulf this particular candlestick. Because do you know why? The engulfing candlestick is very, very healthy. You understand? Yes, the engulfing candlestick is very healthy. You understand? Let me see. Even gold don't reach 420. What do you mean when you say if the candle close healthy? Okay, there is a healthy engulfing candle, and there is and how am I going to put it? And there is an unhealthy engulfing candlestick. I'm going to show you that. You understand? But I want you guys to give me some minutes. I'm losing my strength now like this. I spent just 1 hour 26 minutes and I'm losing strength. Let me go and get something. Just a minute and coming. Just a minute, some minutes and coming so that we'll continue our top down analysis. Then I'll show you guys what a healthy engulfing candlestick look like and what an unhealthy engulfing candlestick look like. I'm going to show you guys the difference. You understand? So that everybody will know what a healthy and unhealthy engulfing candlestick look like. You get, just hold. I'm coming. All right. Ooh, Omo. Everybody go. And the serious one still dey. The serious one still dey, man. All right, no wahala now. We gather dey. Hey, now go give me some minutes to make I do myself well small at least before I faint. If I dey on live and I faint, you guys cannot just rush here and wake me up o. Hey. Okay now, just some minutes. Let me do myself well. Yeah, man. So that I'll be All right, all right, all right, all right. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you, please. If you're active, let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. Let me see those that are active, man. Let me see those that are active. Let me see those that are active. Some people they will check, go, check, go. I just dey see the way they dey check the go. Oh wow, wow, wow. That's very good. Give is active. Mm, give is active. Give is active. Gift is active. Let me see those that is active, man. Okay, okay, okay. Be like say we don dey complete small, small. UD, I still mount. You mount, no be lie. You mount, you mount, you mount, you mount, my bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now. So let's fire on. Let's fire on. Let's fire on. I just say make I do myself well before I faint. So this is it. Mm. So a healthy and unhealthy candlestick. Healthy and unhealthy bullish engulfing candlestick. Hmm. I think I will go to the lower time frame and show you a healthy and unhealthy bullish engulfing candlestick. Mhm. This is one here. See one unhealthy bullish engulfing candlestick. This is one unhealthy bullish engulfing candlestick. You understand? Because as the market engulf this particular candlestick, mm, as the market engulf this particular one, the market no cannot be able to go up. Even before the market go up, sef, there's no any bullish engulfing candle again. You understand? But this is the market. This is like we that used to like use bullish engulfing candle. If you don't know a healthy bullish engulfing candle, you for just enter your trade from here thinking the market have engulfed this particular candlestick. You understand? And the market will come and stop you out before it will go in your favor. But me personally, if I dey if I take my trade from 4 hour time frame, I'll miss this particular entry. Do you know why? Because this particular candlestick is not healthy because of how it close. You understand? Had it been it turn upside down, let me just say, had it been the long week is down and the short week is up, then it's a healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Had it been the long week is down and the short week that is down is up. I don't know if you guys are seeing it very, very clear. But let me expand it so that you see. Had it been this particular week, this I don't know. I don't this week that you are seeing like this, had it been is the one that is up, then the long week is down, then I'll consider it a healthy bullish engulfing candle. Had it been e do like that, there is no way they no go burn this particular candlestick well to come and take it out before it to go to the down to the upside. And you see this particular one is not for like this particular one did not form from a major support level, and by then the market is still on a downtrend. You understand? When the market is on a downtrend, it's only bearish engulfing candle that work. You understand? But when the market is an uptrend, it's only bullish engulfing candle that work. You get? Shey you grab? When the market is on a downtrend, especially on the 50-minute time frame, when the market is an uptrend, when the market is trying to go to the upside, it's only bullish engulfing candlestick that work. And then when the market is on a downtrend, it's only bearish engulfing candlestick that work. Let me show you guys. Abeg, more na no vex. Everything that I'm saying is still teaching. No, you understand? Everything I'm saying is still teaching. So it's still part of what we are doing. You understand? And it's a question that our sister asked. So this is it here. As the market is trying to like go to the upside, like move from here to the upside, what exactly do you see? Which particular candlestick send the market from down here to the upside? Mm. This is the bullish engulfing candle. Shey you do you see that? Shey you see this? Okay, first of all, let me show you an unhealthy bullish engulfing candle. This is a bullish engulfing candle with aggressive move. You understand? But it has a long wick. You understand? It has a long wick. Then the market come down and take it out first. Then you see this particular one, a bearish engulfing candle, then close with a bullish engulfing candle with a short wick. That is the one that send the market from down here up to this particular area. You understand? Up to this particular area. So now like this, let me show you guys something. The market take this particular trade. I suppose take this particular trade during London section when I'm doing London section this thing live stream with in the morning. You know, so I'm supposed to take this particular trade. But do you know why I did not take the trade? The market give this particular hammer. You understand? Then as this particular candlestick is forming, I on my chart looking at it, but it take an aggressive move. See a resistance level. Instead of the candlestick to like come to this, engulf this particular one, then maybe this one, then engulf healthy, e refuse to engulf healthy. E take an aggressive and impulsive move to the upside, break above this particular resistance level, then come down, you understand, with a long wick. The wick is not that long, but it's a long wick. So I see the way the candlestick close. I just say let me freestyle this particular this thing. I know it will go to the upside, but the way the aggressive move it take from here is not that clear to me. So it's not every trade that I take. It's only the one that my mind carry and my mind tell me to enter. It's only like, even if before you any strategy, even yourself, um if you are trying to master any strategy, your mind sef, you even pray o, you understand, you have to pray so that God will be leading you. You understand? Although I didn't mean I take the trade, like I just do stop on head, take the trade, then put my stop loss below this particular engulfing candle. E for give me at least highest 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. You understand? But it's not every trade that I take, and that is why if I show you my history, you will not see lost too much on my history. If I show my history, my win rate will be around 95% win rate. Why? Because I don't take unnecessary trade just to take a trade. And moreover, today is Monday. You understand? So before the market even move from this particular resistance level, as the market break above the resistance level, this is a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? After this bullish engulfing candle, there's a healthy bullish candle. You understand? Before the market take all this move to the upside. You understand? After this bullish engulfing candle and you see this particular type of candlestick, you are free to enter your buy to the upside. And if you enter this type of buy, your stop loss will be below this particular engulfing candle, because anything that will make the market go below the engulfing candle, it will send the market to the next support level. You understand? And one thing again is there is a psychology. You understand? There is a psychology behind every strategy. That is just the only problem. If not, using bullish engulfing candlestick will not be hard o, but there is a psychology behind every strategy. There is a way you try maybe escape lost narrowly, if you understand your trading strategy. You understand? And I always do that thing. At the see If you see some losses that are the escape, you will be very very surprised. You understand? So first of all, before you even use any strategy at all, you have to like work on yourself to remove greediness from your trading journey. Once you remove greediness, then then any strategy you are using will be like make you profitable, because there's a way your strategy will play out. Once you take that particular trade, the market will be going in your favor. You understand? Then maybe you are seeing a little, the market is giving you a sign that it's trying to retrace to the downside, it tries to retrace to the downside, but there is a resistance level for up. You will be very, very greedy. You will say, if I take it out now like this and the market reach that resistance level, means I'm going to like, what I'm supposed to get today, I will not get it. That is greediness. You understand? That is greediness. You are not the one in control of the market. You understand? And that is why I always say there is risk management and there is trade management. And whenever you use your strategy and take your trade, and that particular trade is giving you double mind, double mind, double mind, but is in your favor, like maybe is in a profit, just take partial profit, secure some profit. Once the trade is giving you double mind and is in your favor, once you don dey have double top, double thought about that particular trade, just take partial profit. You understand? Because that's what is telling, what your mind is telling you, what your spirit is telling you that particular time. Maybe if you do not follow what your spirit is telling you that particular period, the market will come aggressively and stop you out. You understand? So you still have to be like listening to your spirit whenever you are taking a trade also. You understand? So it's not, see, there is a psychology behind every strategy. Like you can be using this particular bearish or bullish engulfing candle, and like, and you will not be profitable. But now like this, in regardless, if you just, most of you guys that is watching me now like this, hold my WhatsApp number. If you just ask me, let me see your history, please. Just ask me that question. Let me see your history, please. I will do my 3 month history for you. Calculate how many lost that I have. Count how many lost that I have, and count how many profits that I have. You see that, yes, my spirit dey talk to me, and there is a psychology behind every strategy. You understand? Let me see, let me see, let me see. I have plenty comments. All right, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, so I'm learning a lot. Please keep teaching. All right, thank you, UD. 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 That's great. That's very great. If you had to come, if you have taken it, you will have broken your strategy, and it will give you a false hope to start going against your strategy, which will lead to loss in the long run. I'm telling you. You understand? So me, once, if I see that, if not until my mind, see, there is this when, like, my strategy, sometimes my strategy will play out like this, clean and clear, and I'll just take, I will not even look back. I'll just enter, boom. You understand? Once I enter, if my mind tell me to enter and I enter, it will not give me drawdown before it will go in my favor. But anyone that I have double thoughts, you understand, that I'm having double thoughts about it, but it will either go close to my SL or stop me out before it go in my favor. You understand? But anyone that I see and I say, this one will just go, I'll just enter. So please, as you are like, any strategy at all you are using, still listening to your spirit. You understand? Still listening to your instincts. You understand? Because, and please remove greediness. You understand, from your trade. If you can remove greediness, by all means, remove greediness. If you remove greediness, you will see the way your trading journey will change. You will be seeing the market differently from the way you will be seeing it before. If you can be able to remove greediness from your trading journey. Now like this, my stage like this, anything concern greediness no even concern me at all. E no really concern me. You understand? Anything concerning greediness no concern me. Like I have shift that one very very far. You understand? So and you have to like give yourself enough time. Give yourself enough time. If you are 1 year, 2 year, 2 years in the game, there is nothing you need to rush. Understand? If you are 1 year, 2 years in the game, there is nothing you need to rush. You understand? Because before you discover yourself, now from that kind 3 to 4 years before you discover yourself, except if you are in the right cycle, just like how we just dey like this. um Except if you are in the right cycle, how we just dey like this, then you are free to like, then the journey will be very very easy for you. If not, give yourself enough time. Even if you are in the right cycle, still give yourself enough time. You understand? If you give yourself enough time, you relieve yourself from too much pressure. You get wa? Because the market is here and it will be here. There is this camp now, abi trading boat now, abi trading boat camp now, abi wetin Happy Forest is trying to do, telling people to pay 999,000 naira, which is 1 million naira, for just 1 month trading with Happy. What the? See, I check that price. I even screenshot that price. Within a month, you want to teach people how to become very profitable within a month, and you want to collect 1 million from each person, 1 million naira. And make I tell you the truth, between God and man, there is no, see after you pay that 1 million and that 1 month finish, if you no cry like this, make I no know wetin cause am. Because there is no, see 1 month cannot make you profitable in this game. Even 1 year cannot make you, 1 year cannot make you profitable, because there are a lot of things you need to work on. I pity people that will pay that money just to like, just to get the knowledge within one month, 1 month, 30 days. There are a lot of things you need to work on before you become profitable in this particular industry. I've divert from this particular analysis now to another topic, but this is still very 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 good. You guys need to know that there are a lot of things you need to work on. 1 month you cannot master your this, like, you cannot be disciplined enough to become profitable regardless of who is teaching you. You cannot be disciplined enough to become profitable in the market within 1 month. Never ever. E no dey happen. Even if the person wants, let him go and operate his head and carry his brain put inside your own brain. And this thing sef is even online o. It's even how I'm showing myself for you like this. You are not seeing physically. Just online. You get online. Anytime you no get data to attend, your 1 million now, divide 1 million into 30, that one don go. Anytime your network dey disturb and you no attend, that one don go. He will not repeat it for you. 1 million, just to 1 million in a month, just to teach you how to become profitable. See, I just like, what the heck? I don't just know how, even Happy himself, no be say I'm criticizing him. This thing sef is even a promotion for him. You understand? In case any of you want to learn it, by all means, you want to like become profitable in 1 month, of which is not going to be possible. Never ever. You understand? 1 million, 1 million naira within just 1 month to teach you forex. 1 month, 1 million. Happy Forex know how many years this particular game take him to become profitable. as of last 5 years. Okay, he's putting 9 years experience. Okay, last 5 years, let me just say last 5 years is he spent 4 years in the game, and as of last 5 years this guy is trading with 3.23 Australian dollar. If you have been consistent in watching my live video, I've been saying this thing for the longest now, and I'll post it on my WhatsApp status tomorrow. 3 point, and you can even make the research by yourself. Go to his YouTube channel, go to this particular go to his oldest video, then after, under that oldest video, check that particular video that is trying to teach the modern way of using MT4 and MT5. At the middle, approaching that middle of that particular video, he is trying to switch from a real account to a demo account. If you see his real account, it's just 3.23 Australian dollar AUD as of last 5 years. By then he has spent 4 complete years, just as he's claiming he's 9 years in the game now. He has spent 4 complete years in the game and is still trading with 3.23 Australian dollar. A journey that takes somebody up to 6 years to become profitable. When do we know about Happy Forex? If not because they know about the business before between within forex trading, and they know about social media of a thing and all this affiliate of a thing, that we started knowing about him. When is it not 2023, 2024, 2025 that he become very popular? A journey that take you up to 6 years, you want to teach people how to become profitable in just 1 month, and you want to collect 1 million from them, and I'm here wasting my time again teaching you guys for free. Okay, but my own, nothing like that, nothing like that, nothing like that. I'll tell you the bitter truth. You understand? You have to give yourself, don't pursue, don't rush this game. If you rush this game, you later regret. You understand? If you rush this game, you later regret. Don't rush the game. Keep it slow and steady. Keep it slow and steady. Just know that it's not, this is a profession. Like, you are competing with the most smartest people on earth, so you have to calm down. You understand? This game that you are seeing, you are competing with the most smartest people on earth, on this planet. You are competing with people where we say their brain just be like winch, their brain just be like computer. Those are the people you are competing with, so you have to be very active. You understand? Comot get rich quick from your mind, comot greediness from your mind, and keep studying the chart. You understand? Keep studying the chart. Just make sure your progress is slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady, until you master what you are doing. You understand? Until you master what you are doing. 1 month or 1 year cannot make you profitable. If you become profitable in 1 year, it's just the market will teach you lesson. You still you still go back and still studying the market up till today. You still learning. Is a continuous learning something. Is like you still continue learning. You understand? You don't have to lie to people. There's no way, regardless of how you teach the market, if you like open their operate them, put your own brain inside their brain, is not, they are not going to get it in 1 month. Never. Because they like, oh my goodness, people will perish because of lack of knowledge. People will people will perish because of lack of knowledge, and rush to become profitable, of which that rush will make you to rush to forest, that jungle, forest jungle, not forex trading. So please, please don't rush this game. It takes time. Master it by yourself. I've never ever enter any mentorship class, and I'm at this level this time around. You understand? Okay, this is the only certificate me I don get, and it's an award. I've never enter any forest mentor class. You understand? Okay, this is another certificate. No be by getting certificate. Is it by getting certificate? Is by knowing what exactly you are doing. Shey you get? Is by knowing what exactly you are doing. No be by I'm not downgrading anybody o, but there is no way you are going to get it in one. Shey me wey I'm teaching abi, I'm teaching you guys. Okay, should I suppose to be sugarcoating it so that you guys will subscribe to my mentorship? Never ever. Even if you are paying me to teach you, I will still tell you the real thing. You understand? I will still tell you the bitter truth. Even if you are paying me to teach you, I will still tell you the bitter truth. You understand? Even if you are paying me. Okay, this one like this now. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not convincing anybody to pay for my mentor. I no even get mentorship class. You understand? I no get any mentorship class. All I do is to come here and share my knowledge. I know people don't value free knowledge. You understand? That one is sure. People don't value free knowledge. Where they pay heavily money, that is where they pay attention to. But they will learn the hard way. You understand? When somebody say you will learn the hard way, see, if you don't give yourself sense, you will learn the hard way. That is just it. So this game, remove get rich quick scheme from your brain and remove greediness and follow the due process and become profitable. That is just it. Let me see. Oh more, I don talk too much. Make I see. Make I see. You don close abi? Eh? Oya na come inside. Oh, well done. All right. That's very great. 2 years can make you a forest trader. Ah, I'm telling you, you are just that particular time, you see, in your 2 years, you are just you go don lose to one certain level. You understand? Then come back that particular 2 years now, you go don dey come back to your normal senses. You understand? Then the next 3 years, you go don dey develop your strategy. You understand? Then that 3 years to 4 years, you go don dey master your strategy. You understand? Then your 4 years to 5 years now is when you are going to see results, clean results. You understand? That one is even if you are consis ten t too. That one is even if you are disciplined and consis ten t. You understand? You see your first 1 years and 2 years, that is when the journey begin. This first your first 2 years, like your 2 years in the game, is when you are coming back to your normal senses. That this game I have lost enough. Oh, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Oh, let me rethink. That is when you will rethink. Then the third years, that is when you will be developing your strategy. You will calm down. You go know say yes, this thing no be by gara. You understand? You will calm down. Then your fourth years, that is when you like discipline yourself to stick to your strategy and maybe pursuing the knowledge. Then your 50 years, that is when you are going to be seeing results. You understand? That is the process they follow, not by say come I will teach you forex, you get it one month. It's a scam. That is just a pure scam. Those people are wicked in my opinion. If they are making so much money like that, why do they want to keep ripping people off? So my brother, do you know that people don't value free knowledge? You understand? People don't value free knowledge, although not that they are not making money o, but I don't know the reason for this particular ex like huge amount of money? Is it because he has suffered a lot in the game that wants to make him collect that particular 1 million from each person? Or what is what is the reason? I don't just know. What is the reason? I don't just know. Mm. I'm not here to downgrade anybody. I'm like, he's doing his thing, you know. You understand? He's doing and he's a somebody that I respect in the game. You understand? He's a somebody. Habi is somebody that I respect in the game. He's somebody who know exactly what he's doing. You understand? But for him to even to say he's going to like lock thing teach you forex, you become profitable from newbie to become a pro trader within 1 year, within 1 month. Kai, I'd not expect that from him. Yeah, all these their normal mentorship class, monthly time frame to teach them how to do top down analysis and the rest. That one, make dem dey do that one jejeje dey go. But this one that is putting extra, or like I will just say big money for just 1 month, and it's even online. Not that you are going to see him physically o. He will be locked in the room just the way I'm in the studio like this, then be teaching you guys. You guys will pay 1 million, then I'll be teaching you guys. Then you become profitable in a month. It will not happen. It will not. It will not. Let me see another comment. Let me see another comment. God will bless you, baby. Both the frequency habit cannot trade better than you. Period. My bro. Thank you so much. Thank you. Omo, we all know ourselves o. And this particular, see, make I tell you guys something. This particular funded net summit that will go for Lagos, that I win this particular award from, open my eye to a lot of things. You understand? It open my eyes to a lot of things. That is where I know that it's not by having all these followers and be doing all these physical class and the rest that is the knowledge. Because I keep telling you guys that we'll do quiz that day. Do you know how they dey, like how students dey gather dey do quiz? The top traders and the influencers that they invite will do quiz that day. You understand? And that out of that 10 questions that they bring, um anyone you answer, you win an account. You see Happiness Samson, that girl is very very talent, like that girl know the game very well. And you see, among all of us, all this racing, smart money rich, every other Adana FX and the rest, like influencer, top forex influencers that I even think say I'll never ever see for my life. Me and them jam that day. You understand? You see Happiness Samson, that girl sabi. You understand? Because any question that before I think, she don't answer. And before she think, I don't answer. And see me, I sit down like this, she sit down like this. After we don't finish everything, meeting from inside, talk about this, talk about that, talk about this, talk about that, on how fundedness to grow and the rest. After we finish the meeting from the main hall, we come outside to chill. You understand? That is when we are doing that particular quiz. So that round table, you understand? That round table, that is where I sit down like this, Happiness Hansen sit down like this, Adana FS sit down like this, then one other girl sit down like this. I think I'm the only male guy in their midst that will answer that question. Nobody come close. Oh. I win 3 accounts out of that 10 questions among all of us that went to that particular event. Out of that 10 questions, Happiness Samson win 5 accounts. I swear to God, oh, Happiness Samson win 5 accounts. I win 3 accounts. Then 2 other guys win one account. You understand? After that quiz, that is where the respect really come. You understand? After that quiz, that is where they all of us know who we are. You understand, ba? After that quiz, that is when all of us know who we are. No be by mouth. You get? The reason why you are saying that some of them have all this upper hand and the rest is because they have supportive. It's because they have backbones. It's because they have influencers who is promoting their accounts. It's because they have money to like see forget. If na knowledge, if now when it come to chat, when it come to forex trading, one on one, say ask question from the chat, ask question from the chat. Then VFS is aggressively active. You get? Ask question from the chat. I'm active. I'm active, bro. No be church of chow. I'm active. Dem no fit come close now. All dis influencer, dem no fit come close. No be mouth, no be mouth. Whoever at ten d dat particular event dat day go confirm it, and after dat particular piece, dat is where we know our respect. No, okay boss. No wahala, no wahala, bro, no wahala, no wahala. Omo, e dey just dey burst my brain okoye. You understand? E dey burst my brain, e dey burst my brain. Omo, I've done up to how many? Okay, you guys should tell me what I'll do next. Lax, lax, lax. They can't even trade better than me. They are marketers. I'm telling you, they are just marketers. So although they know what they are doing, actually they know what they are doing. Happy and Jeffrey Benson, they know what they are doing, but they need to be telling, even as they still need, because they need multiple stream of income. They are in a competition of being the richest forex trader in Nigeria and in the whole Africa. They are in a competition, so they need all those multiple stream of income, both from trading, from mentorship, and from signal provider and the rest. You understand? So, but at least they're supposed to be coming down. You understand? All of us know that yes, they are the top. They are the top influencers when it comes to forex trading in Nigeria, but they need to be coming down. But I don't know. I don't know. Everybody get the way they do their things. Mhm. And Govin Kendo Master. Lax, na now you dey come, na now you dey come. I see you, my bro. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Let me see. Funny, bro. This it's funny. Oh. I swear, it's funny. Whenever if I dey talk about that particular event thing, oh boy, my head is burst. My head is burst because I no expect. I just dey go as kai omo, make I just go, make I just go. But omo, after we come do quiz, omo, I come know my level. After we do quiz, I know my level. I know where my level dey. I know where my level dey. No be even kwekwe level. You get? XAUSD gift, you still want to do analysis XAUSD? To know wahala na. We are still, let's look into XAUSD real quick. Let me see this. Happiness Housing is the best trader in Nigeria. Very easy to understand her trading analysis. That girl is very smart to be sincere. That if you check my Instagram page, you see her picture. That girl is very smart. She is very smart because for she to win 5 account and me win 3 account, omo, that girl smart. Because all those questions before the speakers talk the question finish, like talk the question finish, you don answer o. Nobody dey wait o. But dat girl smart, to be sincere. I give her her flower. She win 5 accounts and I win 3 accounts. That's just it. She win 5 accounts, I win 3 accounts. How you dey, my bro? I dey fine, I dey fine, I dey fine. network disturb more like network disturb more than almost 5 fucking minutes. Like I don't do, like I don't put flight mode, do everything, tire. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Almost 5 minutes straight. Almost 5 minutes straight. Network sees. It's not light, oh, it's not light. It's just network. Like it just sees Nekoe. Mm? Trying everything a lie. Wallahi, no be light they take, no be light. So gift said I would where the question, where is he? Where that question, where gift comment dey. Oh say I no dey jump am. Where gift dey? Where the comment dey? I come dey look for comment like gift. If you still active, please drop the comment again. Drop the pair you say we should analyze. Drop the pair. I'm looking for it, but I not see it. Drop it so that we'll do that real quick. Drop the one you said that we should analyze so that we'll do that real quick. I bet there's no time again. I think I have less than 8 minutes to go. XAUSD. All right, thank you. XAUSD. This is it here. All right, so let's do top down analysis on XAUSD real quick. Then we'll know what, like, then we'll call it a day. XAUSD. This is it here. Oh boy. Think I do analysis on this pair yesterday. Let me see how it's playing out. I do analysis on this pair yesterday. Okay, this is it here. This is it. This is it. It's about to go down now. It's about to go down. Once the market break above this particular, I said it yesterday. I think everybody that is active on that particular yesterday analysis might testify to this. I said the market will give us something like this. Then after a breakout of this particular consolidation, then it will go straight, you understand, to this particular area before we'll see any retracement to the downside. Once it break above this particular consolidation, this resistance level cannot hold it. You get, this resistance level cannot hold it. So this is 4 hour time frame. Let's see today candlestick. Let's see how today candlestick is trying to close. Understand? Let's see how today candlestick is trying to close. Give, thank you for bringing out this particular question. You understand? To even look into analysis, this thing good. To look into gold exactly. This is bullish engulfing candle in less than 32 minutes. Now this particular candlestick is going to close, and it's closing bullish engulfing. You understand? So what exactly are we going to expect from gold in a short period of time? Gold is not going to stop. See, you guys should mark my words. Think to sell from this particular resistance level at all. You understand? Because I analyzed this particular trade yesterday, and I told you guys that after this consolidation, I will see a W pattern and gold break above this particular box. It's going to it's going to make a double top. You understand? At this particular area, it's going to make a double top before we see any push to the downside. then it will continue its movement to the upside or to the downside. You understand? And presently gold is trying to like break above this particular resistance level and the consolidation. How many days consolidation? Let me just say today, yesterday, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this one is among, then almost 7 days consolidation, straight 1 week consolidation. So if it break above this particular box, then this resistance level cannot hold it. That is just what you need to know. Even maybe a little consolidation or a little retracement from this particular resistance level you will not see before the market will break above this particular area to the next resistance level or make a double top here. You understand? This is where the market is coming to now like this, because in less than 30 minutes, like in 30 minutes time, the market is going to close and the candlestick is going to close engulf. And once we see this particular engulfing candlestick, then on my this thing, see the engulfing candlestick on gold o. Don't play with engulfing candlestick on gold. Whenever you see engulfing candlestick on gold like this, please don't joke with it. You understand? See this particular engulfing candle, and by then sef the market no even do any consolidation. You understand? See, since you see this particular engulfing candlestick, you see that the market go below this particular engulfing candlestick? No. Then this particular sef, there is a consolidation. You understand? You can take a swing trade on this particular trade like this. Put your stop loss below this particular engulfing candle, then target the next this particular all time high. Target the market, target here. You understand? Straight target. It will take time but it must play out. It will take time to play out, but it must play out. You understand? Once you enter from here like this is where you are going to target. This is your target area. Then you can take a screenshot. You understand? Okay, the week is here like this. Let me mark out the week first. Okay, this is the week. Your stop loss will be below the week. You understand? Just something like this. Network sees again. Jesus Christ. Network sees again. Network sees again. Okay. So it's back. So this is it. This is exactly what in less than 30 minutes now the market is going to close, and I'm very sure it's going to close engulf. So what exactly are we going to do? Let me tell you guys, I'm going to leave this particular thing like this. I'm not going to delete it. You understand? Because this is exactly what gold is going to do. I'm not going to delete it. Let this thing be our witness. Then let me see. I'm going to like 4 hour time frame. Let me see what the 4 hour time frame is saying. Let's see where the market might retrace to tomorrow, if there will be a retracement. You understand? Because the consolidation is much. If there will be a retracement, the market will like maybe retrace to this particular inner support level. Maybe this inner support level. If there will be a retracement, the market might retrace to this particular inner support level. You understand? Then it will like move straight to the upside. If there will be a retracement to maybe to this particular inner support level before we see this aggressive push to the upside. But I will not want the drawing to be too much. So what exactly am I going to do? I'm going to delete this particular one first. Then which one again? I'm not going to delete another thing again, so that all this one will be witness. You can even take a screenshot, you understand, and see how it's going to play out. The one that is giving me the full confidence to like tell you this is because of that daily time frame bullish engulfing candle. You understand? This particular bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. That is the reason why I'm giving you this full assurance that market is going to this particular all-time high. You understand? It's going to make a double top before we see any reaction. This particular resistance level cannot hold it. Just hold that in mind. This particular resistance level cannot hold it. So this is exactly what we are seeing on gold. Thank you for bringing out this. Maybe I might enter a swing trade on this particular trade this week, this night. You understand? I will not wait for a retracement. On my swing trade account, I'll enter this particular trade. Then my stop loss will be below this particular engulfing candle. Then my take profit will be like maybe after before this particular resistance level, maybe before this particular resistance level. That is where my stop loss will be, my take profit will be. You understand? Before the resistance level, but the market will like tap the resistance level where you get before we see any reaction. So I think you guys understand the analysis. Hope you guys understand the analysis, please. If you understand the analysis, let me see a reaction, let me see a reaction, because this is the time I'm going to like call off the live stream. If you understand the analysis, let me see understood, understood, understood. If you understand what I just showed you on gold, let me see understood, please. Thank you so much. All right, all right, all right, all right. Good evening, sir. By this time, good evening, good evening, good evening. You come late to about to call off the live. You come late. You might like maybe forward it back. You understand, to get some knowledge. You understand, get some gist, because we have been having an interesting gist since. So you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. What's the name that you even told me yesterday? I forget. I forget. I forgot. I forgot. Thank you so much. All right, you're welcome, gifts. You're welcome, gifts. Good evening. Good evening. There's a name you tell me yesterday, but I forgot. Don't be angry. Otuke. I don't know. Just if you can remind me. Then understood. All right. You never check my pay. Oh, I'm still going house. Ah, God. Yes, UD. You say I should. Please, boss. Do you recommend Naira Trader? Uh, Use my link. Check any of my video. Check my recent video and use my link and register with them. I'm trading with them now like this. You understand? I'm trading with them now, but they have rules. I don't know. After you register with them, you let me. If you use my link, register with them. Let me know. Then we'll be like sharing idea. You get? If you use my link, let me know. If you use my link, let me know. You understand? If you use my link to buy that particular account, let me know on the comment section. Real quick, you say this. You never check my pay. Omo German gr 40. So Austin, please, if you use my link, let me know. And if you use my link, register. I will know that you use my link, because with as low as 9,500, I will update you once I get it, boss. Check my description, check my video description. You see their this thing, their link under any of my recent video, normal video description. You understand? You see their link, register with them and let me know. You understand? Just come to the live and let me know, or I'll just drop my WhatsApp number for you. I'm not going to tax you to pay me anything. Yes, I'll use the link, boss. All right. I'm not going to like charge you, like I'll never ask you to pay me 1 naira. Once you can use my link to register with any of the prof firm or any of the broker that I recommend, you are good to go. You understand? I will never ask you to, and it's not even by force that I use the link. Oh, you can just go ahead and buy your account. You understand? But if you use the link to for me to benefit as well, I'll be very grateful. You understand? Then after, if you use the link, let me know. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Then we'll be communicating. Mr. Austin, thank you so much. Thank you for even promise me that you use my link. That's just it. Then German 40, German 40. UD, you and this your German 40. You and this your German 40. Hope you did not hide anything there. Let me check. Maybe you hide something there. German fort. I like that pair because the way e dey work, the way e dey move. GR40, this it here. GR40, this it. This thing for my hand. It's for my, let me see first before I say it's for my hand first. Before I say it's for my hand, let me see the reason. Let me see the reason. Okay, e consolidate a bit. E consolidate. This is the resistance level e respect, not this particular one. You understand? But still around this particular area consolidating. But nevertheless, this is the resistance level e respect instead of this particular one. You understand? So before it break below the support level, I don't know how I do this particular analysis that day. Where did I get all these lines from? Where did I get? Okay. This is where I get the line from. Why not horizontal line that I use? That I use just this normal line. Let me clear everything, then go to the higher time frame and know what the market is doing on the higher time frame first. Let me see. Weekly time frame. I'm going to weekly time frame because it's been long that I do analysis on this particular pair. So I'm going to the weekly time frame. Okay, and this is it here. This is it here. The market is still on the support level, but this aggressive move to the downside now, before the market will climb to this particular, to any other, no. You just see a little retracement to the upside before the market break to the downside. That's the only thing, because there is a strong bearish engulfing candle here, you understand, on the weekly time frame. Then this is another new week below this particular support level, and if you look closely, it break this one also. Then this is the one it's trying to respect. This is the area it is right now. You understand? And if you need to respect the support level, this is the support level it's supposed to respect from. Okay, it's still on this particular support level. You understand? It's still on this particular support level. So let's see daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame is doing. Let's see what the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you see this bearish engulfing candle will close. Omo, you will not expect much from this particular market to go up, you understand. You will not expect much from this particular market to go up. Network can start again. Okay, it's back. You will not expect much from this particular area because this is the support level, and the market break below the support level with this particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? So regardless, no matter how the market struggle reach, maybe around this particular resistance level, it will struggle reach this particular resistance level. Let me mark it out. This particular resistance level, then it will break to the downside. Understand? But presently, there is nothing. You are not going to do anything much concerning sell yet till the market give a clean retracement to the upside. Then after that clean retracement to the upside, then you go to your 4-hour time frame to wait for a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. Once you see a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame after the retracement, then you can enter your trade for itself. You understand? Now like this sef, from what the market is doing, I don't want to like give you any signal from here. If not, this particular spike to the downside and the market retrace to this particular area, then give this particular pin bar, then another bearish candle. Before the market will go above this particular resistance level, it will be very tough. But just hold first, hold till the market reach a clean resistance level. Once the market can be able to reach this particular clean resistance level, take your trade and pull your stop loss above the resistance level. You understand? Then you expect it to break to the downside, because on the weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing? There is an aggressive move, you understand, to this particular support level. So there will be a little retracement from this particular support level because it's on the weekly time frame. There will be a retracement from this particular support level to the next resistance level. and this particular resistance level sef is too far, it will not reach before the market to break to the downside. If e reach, then it's by God grace, you understand, because this is a bearish engulfing candle, this is another strong bearish engulfing candle, this is a bearish engulfing candle, and this is a bearish engulfing candle. So the market is giving a serious sign that it's going to the downside. So just be targeting sell if you want to be trading this particular pair. Then on the lower time frame, let me see how 15-minute time frame play on this particular pair. Let me see how 15-minute time frame play on this particular pair. Okay, 15-minute time frame is very very okay. As you can see, 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is the reason why I say I'm going to like be taking trade with this particular pair. 15-minute engulfing candlestick work clean and clear on this particular pair. Oh. This is the reason. I told you that day that I'm going to like Kai omo, the way network dey disturb me, e be it's like kai, I'm even tired. If network will just cease once, come dey show me network will just cease once, come dey show me what is, like I'm even tired. I'm tired of this network, I swear to God, I swear to God, I cannot even hide it. I'm tired. I will come dey like put flight mode on till e go pick, it to pick before I go come back to the network. What is this? Please, if you can hear me, please let me know. Please let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Like network is disturbing really, really, really well. So I'll soon call off the live. Then we'll meet tomorrow evening. You understand? Please, if you can hear me, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you can hear me, please let me know real quick so that I'll just brush through that particular analysis. Then I'll call it a day. Then we'll meet tomorrow. If you can hear me, please let me know. Okay, we can hear you. All right, that's very great. That's very great. Then let me just brush through the analysis. Then I'll just call it a day before the network will make me vex do any. I cannot even do anything because when are we meeting tomorrow? 8 p.m. 8 p.m. tomorrow. So this is it here. Clear. All right, all right, all right. Thank you so much. So this is it, yes. This is the analysis that I'm doing. You understand? So what I would suggest, I don't know the kind of time frame you use to confirm your entry on this particular GER 40. So let me know the kind of time frame you use to take your trade. Let me know the kind of time frame you use to take your trade, please. UD. Let me know the time frame you use to take your trade. Have not ceased. Hope the network have not ceased. Okay. What this network is doing itself, I don't even know. You understand? So what I would suggest on this particular pair, what works the most on this particular pair is 15 minutes engulfing candle. You understand, ba? 15 minutes engulfing candle work very, very well on this particular pair. So if you can, I don't know the kind of pair you use, but if it is me, if na me dey take this particular trade, if I'm the one taking this particular trade, I'll just stick to 15 minute engulfing candle. Then from a support level, once I see that particular engulfing candle, I'll just target 1 to 2, then wait for it to retrace back down again. And if you notice, all like before the market, if the market retrace back down, before it go to the upside, it must give a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? All you need to do is, if you enter the trade, your stop loss will be below the engulfing candle and you target 1 to 2. You understand? This is first engulfing candle, um this is the first engulfing candle. Let me see. I will add this part. No do make I add this particular pair to my favorite too. This is first engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame from a support level. You understand? So let me see if you guys are getting me. Everything just stiff. and I've not done any. I've not spent enough time. Oh, why this thing is doing like this? I've not spent enough time. Okay, let me see. I enter on the 4 hour time frame. Remember that I'm a swing trader. Okay, 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 okay. So I don't know if you guys are hearing me, but presently now I'm going to like end the stream. I'm going to talk. Please, UD, please come 8 p.m. tomorrow, please. 8 p.m. Anything 8 p.m. Then we'll first do this the analysis on this particular pair because there is something I'm seeing on this pair that it will favor almost like every scalpers. You understand? Scalpers and the traders, it will favor a lot of traders, even both swing traders. You understand? Even you, it will favor you. You get. So please bring it up tomorrow. If even if I forget, please bring it up tomorrow. Then we'll do a top-down analysis on it. Then because I don't know what's really happening, the network will just be going up and down. And now like this, some of my this thing is not working anymore. Okay, you don't start the work. So one is not working. So I don't know. I don't know. This pair will favor even me that use bullish engulfing candle and target 1 to 2 all the time. What is this? Like, oh boy, just see. Man. No, 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 no. What is this? What is this? So please, unable to load layout. So please, if you can hear me, we'll meet tomorrow. Since the network have cleared for me, let me end the live stream. So please, don't be angry. angry as the network is doing like this today because I don't know the reason, but I'm ending the live stream now. See you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. Please, 8 p.m. Let's be here. Let's be here 8 p.m. Please, let's be here 8 p.m. I'll be live like aggressively 8 p.m. tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Please, see you tomorrow.